Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You may not be thinking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra at the moment, but rest assured that Samsung is. Even with January's Galaxy S24 launch still fresh in our minds, work on the next premier Samsung flagship is already well underway. Galaxy S25 Ultra rumors are starting to emerge, and while we don't have a full picture yet, the tidbits we do have, combined with Samsung's track record of smartphone updates, should be enough to whet our appetite for more Galaxy S25 Ultra news, and we imagine the pace of rumors will only pick up steam in the coming months. Samsung put its full effort behind Galaxy AI features for this year's phones, and we can expect that to continue with the Galaxy S25 lineup, including the Ultra. Camera improvements are already rumored to be at the top of Samsung's to-do list as they try to show Apple what it takes to make the best camera phone. It's far too early in the rumor cycle to say definitively when the new phone will arrive. Outside of an early 2025 release window for the Galaxy S25, your guess is as good as ours. However, in recent years, Samsung has been gradually moving up the release date for the Galaxy S series. This year's Galaxy S24 release was the earliest ever with a Galaxy Unpacked event on January 17th. If Samsung moves up the Galaxy S25 Ultra release date any earlier, the launch event could collide with CES 2025. Samsung raised the price on the Galaxy S24 Ultra this year, charging $1. $299. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo says that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 expected to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra could drive up the cost of the phone even further. Having just switched to titanium for the frame of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, we don't imagine Samsung would make a change for the S25 version. A Galaxy S25 rumor tips the display to increase in size, hitting 6.9 inches. Samsung has played the game of boosting maximum brightness, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra reaching 2,600 nits. We wouldn't be surprised to see the Galaxy S25 Ultra raise the stakes further. A recent leak from Ice Universe hints that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a curved design, similar to the much maligned Galaxy Note 7. It could also be the thinnest Ultra device yet, at just 8.4 mm thick. Cameras form the centerpiece feature of the Ultra model. We'd expect some sort of upgrade to the 200MP main sensor setup next year. Early rumors suggest the wide-angle lens will get an upgrade and the ultra-wide lens will jump from a 12MP sensor on the S24 Ultra to a 50MP one on the new phone. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is expected to power the S25 Ultra. Early benchmarks suggest this chip could match or even surpass Apple's A18 Bionic in performance. With a 4.3 GHz prime core, it will require Samsung and Qualcomm to figure out how to pack such a chipset into a mobile device without causing it to overheat. As for battery life, the S25 Ultra is rumored to stick with a 5,000 mAh battery. Improvements in efficiency could lead to better overall battery life, even with the same capacity. By the time the Galaxy S25 Ultra arrives, Android 15 will already be out. We expect the Galaxy S25 phones to get the same 7 years of software support that the Galaxy S24 receives. Though it may be early for us to be thinking about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it's a safe bet that Samsung has already put a lot of thought into what goes into its next device. We should find out more about those efforts throughout the year as we get closer to the S25 Ultra's 2025 launch date. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Leave a comment below with what features you want to see in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. We'll see you next time.